All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Going to go to their website, do their Twitter account, check out their price, do a little price prediction. Where's the coin at today? And Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Dogelon Mars, the possums. They all had a great week 14. We're going to talk about the three of them having a great week 14. And then we're also going to go over to Piston Token, see what's going on with Piston. Have you entered the race yet? The 7-day thing just ended the other day. So now all of a sudden things are definitely picking up and stuff like that. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, Dogelon Mars, ding, ding, ding. This would be a discount buy, kind of, 21% down in the last 7 days. To take a look at this, Dogelon Mars is down 21%. There's 1, 2, let's go ahead and click it. In the last 24 hours, it's down about 9%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 795. We'll come and do a price prediction. Here's what this is looking at right now. It's going down, down, down. But in the last 7 days, it's been going down. So what's going on with Dogelon Mars? This is just in the last 7 days. It did have a good week 14. Checking out this. Dogelon Mars on the Twitter account. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me together and we will reach the stars. You know, this was the other day, but follow Dogelon Mars NFTs for updates regarding the first release of Dogelon Martian NFT series featuring Gloomy Bear. In first of many cross-universe collaboration, Dogelon Mars has entered the Gloomyverse. Yep, we're talking about this. I was always taught to have a contingency plan in case my ambition misfired. My answer is more fuel to fire. Here's something kind of funny. Take a look at Elon here, Elon jersey, and it says right here, made from this one-to-one. Who should be the next one-to-one be? Says, I had a dream about dog made of gemstones that looked exactly like me. Pretty weird. All right. Over at the website, Dogelon Mars, we know there's 6 different places you can get this cryptocurrency. Crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. I am Dogelon Mars. Dogelon, join me, and together we will reach the stars. Join the community. They got over 650,000 on their Twitter. And on their Telegram, they got over 90K. All right, right here was week 14, 2022 possum for Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Dogelon Mars. Take a look at the 3 of them there. Shiba, Dogecoin, and Dogelon. The market cap of Dogelon, Shiba, and Dogelon Mars has been inflating and deflating since the last quarter of 2021. Even though the magnitude has remained even throughout, the direction bias has more or less been the same. Over the past day or so, there's 3 coins that have witnessed a modest 1 to 2% rally each. However, Dogelon coin remained to be clear winner in the weekly time frame. So Dogecoin is leading the pack here. Take a look at it right here. So we got Dogecoin at number 12, Shiba at number 15. And I do like this for Dogelon Mars that it's getting compared to meme coins that are actually at number 12 and 15. Dogelon Mars is right here. At this particular time, it was down, 0.5%, up a little bit right there. But pretty strong there. Dogecoin, Shiba, and Dogelon Mars. So here's what it says about Dogelon Mars rough patch. Dogelon Mars has been dreaming quite a bit of the late and dues expires to go to the moon. Things have, however, been quite humdrum on both the announcements of the price front. However, it is worth recalling that the token managed to seamlessly thrive in the later half of March on multiple occasions. So yeah, Dogelon Mars did jump off the chart a few times here. It was ahead of the race when compared to Dogecoin and Shiba's counterparts. In fact, by the end of the month, it even managed to eliminate a zero post-point the price. Well, like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin too was a victim of consolidation and looked like a time to forget week 14. Yeah, but before moving on, it sure may be noted that despite the gloomy state of the market, the number of holders in Dogelon Mars ecosystem continues rising, giving the community something to rejoice about. Then it says the bottom of the pause. I want to talk about Dogecoin here. Well, Elon Musk, Twitter was typically highlight of the week after about a 9.2% ownership deal started to do the rounds. The announcements of the Doge father joining the social media platform. Dogecoin started leaping off the charts. A spectacular tipping jar launch hype propelled the coin's rally even further. Well, Elon didn't just stop with that. Just a day back, Elon Musk, an event called the Cyber Rodeo in Texas and Austin, Texas. During the event, Musk showcased a Foundus WRT, the dog-themed crypto created by the giant of drones in the sky. Wow, pretty cool. Apart from that, the technology too remains in favor of Doge. Even further bullish days ahead. Shiba and all bark and no bite with the Shiba. While a set of events have taken place in the Shiba ecosystem, Burns movement from Instance managed to lure new supporters. Right before that, the token was added to Bitcoin of America's ATMs. Yep, did you hear about that? Shiba Inu was added to Bitcoin America ATMs. In fact, it also went to make its debut on the food park. So Shiba's got a lot of stuff going on. Key thing with this, lots of good things going on here. Take a look at the three of them. The Shiba, the Dogecoin, and Dogelon Mars. Alright, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Alright, how about the Piston token? Have you entered the race yet? It started about over a week ago, a week and a day ago. Alright, let's go ahead and let's check out our engines and go to Piston token. Alright, over here at Piston token. Piston token started a Binance Smart Chain BSC token built on the best-in-class decentralized token. Piston was designed to run an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your token in the Piston Rates dashboard. Alright, the coin right now is about $9.65. Let's go check out the race right here. So we got Frank's Crypto Corner. You earn 1% daily income until 365% of your investment is reached. The Piston Race. You got at the beginning, start, you got your claim, you can swap. When you do the swap, you basically go from BUSD, so you put your BUSD right here and you swap it for your pistons. So you do that right on the page here. Let's go back to the race. So let's go ahead and Nitro. I only put 45, I put 50 tokens in, 10% fee to get started, so 5 of them came off, so I got 45 here. Let's go ahead and hit the Nitro. We got $2.48 for Nitroing. Click it, just to show you how easy this is. Confirm on our confirmation there. And it usually takes, I don't know, 7 to 12 seconds for everything to go through here. So we got 0.25. Boom, Nitro injected. Your Nitro was successfully injected, and now your car is accelerating to bring more rewards at a faster rate. So take a look at that engine going around and around and around. We're going to close that. And now that 0.25 jumped over here to the 45.9197. So you can come up here and you can buy your pistons. You can deposit your pistons. And look, that quick, the fuel is getting available. So all of a sudden it was 000, and that quick it's already that. All right, going over to the white paper. Talks about piston token. When a user deposits pistons to add fuel to their gas tank, they receive 1% daily return for up to 365% of the amount in the tank. The amount of the calculations include new tokens deposited as well as tokens compounding using Nitro button. Alright, how this race works, you can figure all that out by going to the white paper. Just want to show you this, that you can exit the race in the first 7 days. So if you did decide to do this and you decided you didn't like it or something came up, you can actually exit the race. Alright, back over here at the Piston. I'm going to go ahead and leave my link in the bottom to check it out. So, Piston token. Remember, do all your own homework. All my information is for educational purposes only. But we do like a few cryptocurrency projects. This is like a Drip network. Drip's getting ready to be 1 year old, April 22nd. Alright, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Piston token, get 1% a day, 365. Just like the Drip network. I'll put my links in the bottom. Not too bad. My Diamonds Team V2, that pays 1.5%. That's another good one too. All right, everybody, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars and do a little price prediction. Over at the website, get the Dogelon Mars sticker pack. So just this kind of good right here. They got the comic Sega Begins. Now follow the story of Dogelon Mars as he explores the greatest mysterious of the galaxies and seeks to recolonize the planet he once called home through the friends he met during the raid his travel through the stars. And it says in the year 2420, Mars has been successfully recolonized as the first galactic voyage. Well, and then they settle there for their morning pancakes as they discuss their plans for the future. But little do they know of a storm that is brewing behind the wall of the cozy colony. Now, right here, you can kind of click the next one and read the next one to yourself. But they got the comic Sega Begins. Clicking it right here, and there's the next one and so forth. All right, Dogelon Mars is ranked 132. Market cap of 439.43. We got a quick start here, MetaMask, ETH, connect your wallet, all kinds of good stuff there. All right, over here at Dogelon Mars, coin market cap, what's our price prediction? Coin's down about 9%. I think it's gonna go down a little bit more. It's still going down a little bit. So keep your eyes on this. Zeros, there's all these zeros and a 79.29. It may go down to 77.29. Thinking it's going down right this second, but it could bounce back a little shortly too. Make sure you do all your own homework. All our information is for educational purposes only. All right, when you're looking at this at CoinMarketCap, everything right this second is red. So we got a lot of red going on. All right, Piston Token, have you entered the race? Make sure you checked it out. Dogelon Mars, lots of things going on with Dogelon. You had the Dogelon, the Shiba Inu, and the Dogecoin in week 14. Don't forget to click the like button. Click over here to see our most recent video. And click over here to learn about Piston Token and also baked beans. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later.